What records each user can view is determined by what role they have within the system. So if you're unfamiliar in Manage Users, you'll be able to see what role everybody has. They go all the way from admins, which can see and do every single thing in the system, down to a user who can only see certain settings pages and, of course, only records that they are assigned to. We leave this up to you guys, the clients, to determine what roles should be able to see what in your system. We have it set up in best practices to come out of the box, but we know that every company and every business runs things differently, so we leave it open to you to make those adjustments. Under settings, under users and permissions, you'll find record visibility by role. When you're here, you'll see a list of all of the roles within the system that can be adjusted and a column for different record types. This is because each record type may have different visibility. If you run kind of a shared lead model where leads are all visible to all users until they are claimed and interacted with by a salesperson, then you may want to have leads set to all records versus assigned records only. And if once they're a loan or once they're an account, you want to make sure it's only assigned records, you can easily do so. If you continue scrolling to the right, you'll find the rest of the record types as well as all records visibility. All records visibility applies to the all records report, which you can get to by just hitting reports in the top right. On the left, you can just search for all records, and it'll pop up here under contact management. The all records report is just one big list that includes all of your different record types. So leads, applications, loans, referral partners, etc. It kind of combines everybody on one big list for you. So if you need to do a big bulk email or you're going through and clearing out junk data, you can do so here instead of going to each record type individually. Master search will apply to this search bar here. By default, it just kind of follows the record visibility, but if you need them to be able to search for all records but not be able to open all records, you can set the master search to all records. That way they can search, but they can't open anything that they're not assigned to. And then lastly, you have the shared inbox, which hangs out over here on the right-hand side. The shared inbox applies to emails, texts, and calls. So if a user should only be able to see what they're assigned to in that inbox, perfect. You can leave it to assigned records only. But somebody that is a director or a manager may need to see all records that are there, regardless of who it's assigned to. So depending on what their role is with your business, you can really tailor these different roles to be able to see different things, not only record visibility itself, but also different searching ability, communications, and of course report access as well. One other important thing to highlight is going to be the assigned records plus all referral partners. All this means is that they can only see what they're assigned to in that record type, but they can see all referral partners. So if referral partners are shared across all of your users, you have the ability to easily use the record visibility to be able to set like, hey, you can only see your assigned leads, but you can see all referral partners. That way you can link them up accordingly. Hopefully this helps. If you have any follow-up questions on record visibility, don't hesitate to reach out to help@setshape.com.